This fella's been with me for a minute here, following me since my house. We're just gonna rip through here and take a little ride down through some Twisties here so you can hear this thing eat. It sounds a little crazy. Third gear, it just got so much right there in the middle. It's fun. It's fun, all right. Close the visor a little bit. We're getting close to the twisty part here. We're on Interlocking in Lakewood, I think. Oh, it's called Mount Tacoma something. But fun road. And beautiful. Okay, we'll just whack it down to third. It says 10 miles an hour for this corner. They got lap traffic, but maybe gotten a little idea how this thing sounds in the mid-range. Sounds pissed off to me. It's fun. It's definitely fun enough to be engaging there. I think we got 54 or something. I looked down in third gear. It's pretty good. I don't know if you can hit 60 in third. Maybe we'll try that. Maybe we'll try it. But we're going to take a left here. Hit a little bit more of a corners. Hit some more corners. Oh, getting low. Wave to the neighbors. No, we're not speeding. ABS. Well, since we're stuck, we might as well. A little power wheelie practice. Power wheelies aren't the safest. You know, it's better to clutch it up. I mean, some bikes power wheelies are okay. You know, if you got a Gixxer 1000 and you're power wheeling at 50 in first gear, it's a little, you know, less than power wheeling at 10 miles an hour. You don't really have enough inertia in your tires to keep you going straight and stuff. So I just, you know, encourage clutching up when you can. Just practice getting her up, hitting that rear brake to bring the front back down. There's some things that'll help make wheeling easier, like having less air in your tires. That's, I mean, the rear tire, when it's flat, it doesn't really tend to pick a direction and start rolling that way. When you got full air pressure, you know, sometimes you get it up and you're already going to the left or already going to the right. And when you have less air in your tires, it's helpful for that, because you don't have the tendency to start moving off to the center. That was particularly bad on the T-Dub, a big round back tire, and it only had power to power wheelie first gear ever, but it was pretty cool. It was fun. Oh, there's a little clutch dump in third. I could have been in second there. Oh, is that 5-0? No, we already saw one today. Hopefully that's our limit, because I got pulled over last time I was out. 48 in a 30. He let me go with a warning. Thank you, sir. Anyway, talk to you later.